Welcome to another episode of Teen Gen Talks, where the goal is to empower the youth of Glendale and connect youth to community resources, individuals, and organizations. I'm your host, Melissa.
And I'm Desiree, and thank you for tuning to another episode with us, where we are going to be doing a paper lantern DIY. So continue watching on as Melissa and I create this beautiful lantern. Okay, so we're going to start by cutting these strips, and we're going to cut along the solid lines and cut out the rectangle and also cut along the vertical lines as well. So let us do that. You're gonna basically cut like this,
Up to this line.
up to the dotted line, because then this is gonna be covered.
Okay. I thought that was really cute. We're both like,
It was like,
I'm looking at you, you're looking like at
Okay, took me a minute. Okay. So Melissa, as we're cutting these vertical lines for the paper lantern, what does AAPI Heritage Month mean to you?
Well, that's actually a really good question. I think like what AAPI month means is like, you know, obviously love, family, but like the best part is my grandparents cooking because they make amazing Chinese food, especially like I like kung pao chicken. Like I love kung pao chicken, and then I like it like when they make it really spicy.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, like I think it's just like it's family food and just being with each other. They really go slow.
Well, you were talking. So this is how it's gonna look after you cut the vertical lines, and so we're gonna place these yellow strips along at the top and also at the bottom. So we're gonna take our glue. Glue this here. Do you have any do you have like a special memory with your grandparents? I feel like you have like a bunch, but like
I think one of my favorites, which is weird because I do not like taking buses and stuff, which is like, anyways. But like one of my favorites is like they would always take us on the bus, and my sister and I, we would go to I think it was called like Crown Books.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it was called Crown Books, which is like, you know, Borders or Borders or Barnes and Nobles, but like, and they would always buy my sister and I a book.
Oh, that's so sweet.
But like they would only buy us one book. We had like a stack. They would only buy like one book.
Oh no.
You should make it, sorry, because I picked mine up and it wasn't.
Yeah, it wasn't sticking.
Yeah.
Is there a tradition that you want to pass down, like if you ever have children, like from your heritage?
I think like, so at every Sunday, we go to my whole family, we go to my grandparents' house and we have dinner. So I want to like, you know, Sunday night dinners.
Yeah. So now we're gonna cut the base sheet.
I feel like when you do this, it's like you're also helping. You have like an actual person that you have to help do this.
I'm a teacher without wanting to be a teacher.
Exactly. That's actually perfectly said. You're a teacher without wanting to be a teacher. You think that's good?
Oh, okay. Okay, so like I think glue the first around, wrap around, and then this is gonna like just like, you know what I mean?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So. So you're gonna have to like kind of scrunch it, you know what I mean, to
Like
glue
this?
the other side.
Oh shit.
Yeah, like kind of like you know what I mean, like
Yeah.
this.
I should just like let it be, huh?
Yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of me like see glue all over my head.
Really?
Yes. I like this. Roll it into a tiny tube this way.
I know. I like how it's like this way. It's like thank you for being crystal clear.
Am I cheating the system?
Yes.
Maybe.
Okay, so what do? Just wrap it around?
Yes. And then you cut it at the, you slide it off the card, and then you cut it. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah. I should.
Me admiring you per usual.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Wait, is this how you do it? And then you do wrap around it? Did I do this right? I don't know if I
Yeah.
did it right.
Yeah, because then you're gonna cut it. So then it makes that tassel.
This tassel. Yay. My tassel is not cute at all.
Wait. Just brush it out. And then cut off that. How did you attach this?
I don't even know how you
Wait. No. Hold on. You're gonna.
I don't even know how I did that.
Wait, how do I. Hear me out.
Yeah.
You're gonna.
like put it towards in there.
Yeah, like, just so you know where it. No, like, just so you don't have to.
Oh, I see.
You see what I'm saying, right? Like,
Yeah.
you put this. I don't know where it is. Like you put it
through, and then put that through.
Yeah. Because I think that might be easier than. I'm sorry. I thought it was.
I didn't know that was gonna happen. I didn't know that was gonna happen. I thought it was connected. I guess not. Maybe I cut something off.
You're like shocked. You're like, huh? And I was like, oh no, I'm so sorry.
I didn't even know that was gonna happen.
You should have blamed me for that.
Oh, I didn't know that was gonna happen. I was just like, that's funny. That wasn't supposed to happen. It might come off, but for the sake of the video.
Yeah, and then you just take the scissors to.
And then I just kind of wrap it around here somehow.
You can tell who's the artsy one here. You wait.
I was struggling with the
stopped.
tassel.
Oh, look at that.
Sorry. So I think you should hot glue it.
I probably will. But see, you're artistic.
But see, okay, there's two versions. You could do one with the tassel and one without the tassel. There you go. And we need to do the. Oh my god.
Wait, where is it?
Cut out. It's gonna be a short handle. I need a longer handle.
Yeah, just cut out.
Oh, one of these.
Yeah. When you got that, I was like, oh.
I was like, that's a short handle.
Hey, you got the tassel.
You could get the handle.
We said we're gonna wait. Oh no.
I'm gonna hot glue this.
Mine's so long.
And these are our lanterns. The final product.
This is so much cuter.
Thank you for tuning to another episode of Teen Gen Talks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, Glendale Library Arts and Culture, and also listen to us on Spotify or Apple or anywhere where you get your podcast from at Teen Gen Talks.
And don't forget to follow us on our social medias at MyGlendaleLAC, Facebook, and Instagram.
See you next time.
Bye.